Hello, welcome to the Color, Texture and Shape online workshop with your host, Malda Smadi. Hope you enjoy it. You will need a paper, colored or white, it's up to you, any color palette you have, your choice of 5 colors, a sponge, a cotton bud, a piece of cotton, a slice of potato, and masking tape. First, get a piece of tape and stick the edges of your paper and get your paints ready. Now let's start with a sponge. Drop it in the yellow paint, drop it really good, and then slowly slide it on the paper. Keep sliding it until you fill the whole space. Take your time. Next, get the piece of cotton and drop it into 2 colors. Let's mix pink and blue to get purple. And gently dab it on the paper so all 3 colors come out. I'm going to go over the piece one more time with the yellow. Feel free to do that or wait until your background colors start to dry. Next, we're going to use the cotton bud as our drawing tool and draw a face. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to look like a face with a mouth, a neck, eyes, and a nose. Let's color in those lips with a bright red color. And for the final step, we'll drop the sliced potato in the yellow and red to get orange, and gently press it to create the woman's curly hair. Keep going until you get the look you like. Once your art piece is dry, slowly peel out the tape without tearing the paper. And here it is, a colorful portrait using basic household objects to create different textures. Now, you can either stop here or join me to take this project to the next level. Great, you're still here. You will need another piece of colored paper, slightly bigger than your first, scissors, and a glue stick. And don't forget the masking tape. Tape each side of the paper and proceed to cut your masterpiece into different medium-sized shapes. Take your time. With all the pieces cut, we're going to create a new image like a puzzle. The easiest way to do this is by looking for the edges, but make sure you don't follow your old image. Once you're happy with the new combination, glue the back of each piece onto the red background. Get any board and press it on it until the image is fully glued and flat. Remove the tape. And here it is, a second masterpiece inspired by abstract expressionism. Thank you for watching.